being Ilocanos to the late Ferdinand Marcos? Should the spirit of our people die with his passing? Should we stop growing? No, we shouldn't. In fact, we have resurrected the Ilocano spirit.
Here is Mr. Sam Blas, an entrepreneur who has lived in the United States for several years, but opted to come to Ilocos Norte. He is the perfect guy who can share about what Ilocano spirit is.
Well, the Ilocano spirit is all about being very industrious, very sturdy, and very frugal. That's the spirit, the character of Ilocanos, which has been shaped by the elements, actually, by nature. Why? We are often visited by typhoons. We have very few arable land, and we have in the entire Philippines we have the longest summer. So when it rains, it really pours. When there's no rain, it's an overextended summer. That's why we have learned to save while there's no farm, output. So that's what makes Ilocanos frugal. We're not stingy. There's a big difference there. We know how to save, and we know when to spend what we have saved. That's the big difference between stingy and frugal. So that's the Ilocano spirit.
Wow, that makes me feel better.